All right. Hello, my name is Mason Nash, and instead of giving you 1,000 screenshots to look through, I decided I'd record a video. I hope this might be easier for both of us. So here is some of my test data that I used. This is for trip offering. We'll go one by one. Actual stop info, I didn't end up using test data for this since none of my features used it. Bus, I've got a bunch of buses in there. You can pause the video to take a better look at the test data if you need to. Driver, I only tested with 2 drivers. Stop, I've got a few stops in there. Oz, Wonderland, Joe Biden's basement, the usual places. I've got a list of trips and a list of trip offerings, list of trip stop information, although that one's probably the least easy to read as a human, more for the computer to work with. All right, let's demo it. Eclipse is my IDE. I've got 5 class files here. Well, one's an interface, but 5 files. Not the most efficiently written code, but it works. And let's show it right now. You can find the source code on the GitHub I linked in the Word document. All right. You see I have a menu system right now with 4 options in the front. We'll just go through them one by one. We're going to manage trips first. Find trips based on start and end destination. And here, if you look at this one, we've got oops, where is that? There it is. Okay, that's not working. Oh, I found it. It's in trip. Okay, starting location, we're gonna say Disney to Harlem. You see, I programmed in a bunch of dialogues for each of the controls. All right, there you go. Right here, it gives us a list of the available trips. I ordered it by arrival time because I figured that'd be most useful. Okay, next one, we've got edit trip offerings. All right, we're gonna edit the trip offerings. And then it gives us several. This is a submenu, so you can delete a trip trip offering here. We'll we're gonna delete it. Oh, I'm gonna keep it on my other screen so it's easier for me to see both at once. We're deleting trip number 0. It's at date 2013-10-19. Scheduled time 10:04:00. Am I sure? I like this confirmation. It's nice so I don't screw myself. All right, we've got trip offering deleted. If we look here, you see it was, I think, this one. Yeah, before. If I rerun this script, it disappears. It's working. All right. Change driver for a trip. That's cool. Type the trip number we'd like to update. Let's update trip number 0 and make it Bilbo. Date of the trip. I'll pull it up on my other screen again. 2008, 10:08. Scheduled start time, 12:33:09. New driver name is going to be Bilbo. Yes. Oh, it failed. I might have typed something in wrong. Oh yeah, I put in the wrong time. Okay. Well, you can see that one. I have a correct message if it fails. Which it did. All right, we're gonna do that was change driver. Please type the trip number. That was 0, 2008, 11, 11, 12, 30, 00. This time it's the right trip. 02, 2000. What? Oh, I typed in the arrival time. No. Change driver. Please type the trip number 0. Trip offering. Oh wait, date. Okay. 2008, 11, 11. Scheduled start time 12:30. All right, trip offering updated. See here it was John Doe. If I run it again, it becomes Bilbo. All right. Changing the bus is almost exactly the same code. You can look at the GitHub. It works. I don't want to waste your time going through it. I'm gonna go back to the previous menu because we exhausted all of those. Oh, did we add a trip offering? No, I don't think we did. We're gonna add a trip offering. Trip number. Let's make a trip number 3. Date. It's gonna be year 1000. They have advanced buses. Month 10, day 11. Scheduled start time. Yeah, these numbers don't really matter. It just works. Please type the ID of the bus. We'll do bus 8 again. Please name. We're gonna use John Doe. Yes. Okay, it looks like I forgot to change that text, but whatever. The code works. All right, so that'll be, yep, see, we got a new entry in the table. Okay. Yeah, I should change this message. I might do that later. Okay. Back to the previous menu. Oh, we could display the stops for trip number 3. And I don't think I've registered stops for trip number 3. We'll try trip number 0. There we go. Goes from Oz to Wonderland to Biden's basement. All right, that's all those. Manage drivers. Add driver. Sure, we can add a driver. Right, his name is going to be. No, I'll make it Karen. Phone number. Yes. Driver added. If you want to see it, we've got driver here, Bilbo John Doe. Refresh Karen. Driver schedule. We'll go. Bilbo has a few right now, so we're gonna do. Oh, and then the date. We'll look at. Give me a sec. Trip offering. Let's do. Bilbo has some stuff in 2008, 10:08. You still have more entries until I was testing the delete function. Okay, there we go. Trip number 3, scheduled start time then. That's it should be this one. Yeah. All right. Back to previous menu. That's all those. Manage buses. Add bus. Sure. Type that ID 13. Type the model. Sad bus. That's the model. Year. It's a 2000. Yeah, that looks right. Bus added. You can see here bus before there was no sad bus. We're gonna refresh it. Yeah, there it is. Sad bus. I just didn't notice it at first. Okay. And then we'll delete that bus. Okay, it should say bus ID. I'll change that. Bus ID. Let's delete let's do the one we just did, just because it's nothing's dependent on it. Deletion successful. All right, cool. We run it again. 13 should be gone. Yep. All right, back to previous menu. Last menu. You excited to be done with this? I am. All right, we've got. Oh, that was everything. Thanks for watching. I will update those text prompts if I'm not too exhausted. Anyway, have a nice day. Oh, and then there's a end program option too. All right. And that's gonna be, how do I stop recording?